Ready to turn that One4All gift card into a wardrobe refresh on Asos? Let's get started. First things first, browse the Asos website or app and add all those must-have items to your basket. Go crazy, but keep that One4All balance in mind. Once you're happy with your selection, head to the checkout. Double-check everything looks right, sizes, colors, quantities before proceeding. Now, on the payment page, look for the section labeled gift cards or vouchers. It might be near the bottom of the page. Scratch off the silver strip on the back of your One4All gift card to reveal the security code. You'll need both the card number and this code. Enter the long card number and the security code into the corresponding boxes on the Asos checkout page. Make sure you type them in correctly. Click Apply to redeem your One4All gift card. You'll see the value of the card deducted from your order total. If there's any remaining balance, you can pay it with another card or payment method. Choose your additional payment method and complete your order. Then just relax and wait for your Asos haul to arrive. Easy, right?